Hello everyone, my name is Carter from Strategy Lab. Today I'll be teaching you how to create, update, and organize a Masonry Gallery element. Now the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the page or post where your Masonry Gallery is located. In my case, I want it in my portfolio items, but you'll probably have it in pages or possibly posts. Once there, I'll click on the name of the page I want to edit, and that will take me to the page editor. Normally, I would be able to just scroll down and find my Masonry Gallery, but this page doesn't have one yet. So, I will go in the AVA Layout Builder and navigate to the Media Elements tab and find Masonry Gallery, which I'll click and drag down onto the part of the page I want it to appear. Let's see how that looks. Now you'll notice that since I haven't put anything in the gallery, it's been populated by all the random images that are in the back end of the site. That's normal. They'll all go away once you put images into the gallery. To edit the gallery, simply click anywhere on the element. It'll open the Masonry Gallery editing window. The first thing you'll want to do here is click Add/Edit Gallery, and then find the files you want to appear in your gallery. You can drag and drop right here or select from images that are already uploaded. So maybe I'll want this one, there, and there. Pretty simple, 6 images. Now I've got 6 images in my gallery. This is the order that they'll appear in. These caption elements will be referred to as the excerpt later on. If you want an excerpt to appear, simply type in this field the name of the image or the text that you want to appear. Now I've added excerpts for each one. To reorganize the images, simply click and drag them into the order you'd like them to appear in. So maybe I want them to be checkered, alternating between a painting and an icon each time. I'm happy with that, so I'll click Insert Gallery. The next thing we'll quickly cover are these options in the gallery element screen below the images. The image number is how many images will appear on your page. In my case, I've got 6 images, so I just want all 6 to be displayed. If I selected 3, then I could click Display Pagination, and then there would be 2 pages, each with 3 images. But for now, I just want all of my images to appear on screen. Leaving the column select as automatic should be fine. These are size settings here. I'll put graphics on screen now explaining the difference between the flexible masonry, the perfect grid, and the perfect automatic masonry. But for my purposes, I prefer the perfect grid. If you select Perfect Grid, you'll be given an option to select the shape of your images. I'll put a graphic on screen showing the difference between each of these 5 shape options. In this case, I'm going to choose Square. I'm fine with Large Gap. Image Effect is what happens when you hover your mouse over the images. I think I'll choose Grayscale Effect. So basically, when you have Grayscale selected, all of the images will be black and white until they're hovered. Animation Unload is whether the pictures will animate when the page loads. And Lightbox Linking, if you have Lightbox Linking active, then when you click on an image, a larger version of that image will appear on screen. And that's probably pretty good, so I'm going to leave that. In Element Captions, I just want the caption that I typed earlier to appear. So I'll select Display Excerpt. And I will select it. Default Display displays the text in a banner at the bottom of the image, and Display as Centered Overlay will make the text appear over the image and have a transparent background. I like Default Display. Finally, I'll select Hide on Mouse Hover so that the caption will disappear when you hover your mouse over the image. Element Colors and Screen options you don't need to worry about, so let's just click Save. Now let's take a look at what we've done. Alright, so that's starting to look better, but I'm thinking I'd like to change the order of the images a little bit, and maybe have 2 rows of 3 instead of 2 rows of 4. So I'll go into Columns and select 3 columns. That way there will be 3 columns. And I'll also change the order of the images a little bit so that the paintings appear first, and then the icons second. And I click Save. Now let's preview the changes. That's much better. I'm pretty happy with that. So I think, since I'm happy with this gallery, I will click Update on the page, making those changes go live. I can now view the post as it appears live on the site. And there's my gallery. Thanks so much for watching. I've been Carter. I hope to see you again real soon.